Welcome to a very quick video on the Prumihimo YouTube channel. And the reason this is going to be a quick one is that this is a counted bead design and it's part of a series. And in this series I give a lot of information about how to carry out counted bead designs for Beaded Kumihimo. And by that I mean a design where you have to count out the beads in a specific order to achieve a particular pattern. And if you want a lot of detail about that, there are other videos and you can see those in the information below. So this really is a follow-on video, and this shows you how to create this large triangle pattern in a Kumihimo braid. So I'm going to bring in the chart because all of these videos are based on a threading chart, which is a 4-row repeat. So you have the slots across the top working round in a clockwise fashion from slot 1, and that's the slot that sits between 32 and 1, just there, and working round, so the last one here, which is the slot between 31 and 32, is here. And down the side you have the 4 rows that you're going to be repeating, and the letters represent A for background and B for the triangle shape. Now this is a technique video. I'm not going to tell you exactly how to make a particular bracelet. I'm going to show you how to create this specific pattern. So I'm not going to give you quantities. You may wish to make a bracelet or a necklace or a lariat. You may choose to use any type of bead you want. You can experiment with this. I have used size 8 beads, and just for a very quick bit of guidance, you might expect, if you're going to make a bracelet, you might expect to need to do 9 repeats of these 4 rows for a small bracelet, 10 for a medium, and 11 or more for a large. But that is really just very approximate, and that will depend on so many different factors. So the important thing always to remember with a counted bead design is that you do your little bit of braiding here first, the bit that you're going to stick into a clasp or use for whatever, and then you must get your cords into the correct starting positions, and they are with the cords in the north, south, east and west positions on either side of the dots, or in this case I've got the points of the compass marked, but the important thing is that the next 2 cords to be used have got to be the top right and the bottom left. Once you've got yourself into that position, all you need to do is load on the beads in the order specified here. So in that first cord you're going to load on A, A, B, A, and you're going to repeat that for as many times as you need. A, A, B, A, 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 B, A, etc. Now, if we look at this braid, you can see there's a little bit of braid, beaded braid without the triangles at both ends. So to achieve that, you do need to finish off your braid with just a final row of row 1 to get that little last bit of background in. But that basically is how you're going to create your braid. And I hope you've enjoyed that, and if you have, I hope you will look out for some of my other videos, because I show how to do lots and lots of different patterns in a Kumihimo braid just based on a really simple 4-row repeat. If you've enjoyed it, please consider giving the video a like or a comment. You might want to consider subscribing to the channel and telling your friends. So until next time, goodbye.